Hello, I'm Mashur Anam. Welcome to Weekly Magic Tips series. Today, let's experiment with creating an abundance vortex. What is a vortex? If you don't know it, then just think about taking a glass of water and take a spoon and then begin to stir the glass of water. You will create a mini vortex in the glass of water. Yeah, so a vortex is like a tornado, but we are talking about an uplifting or empowering or an abundance vortex. Now, the easiest way to create a vortex is to simply run the holographic program, Restore Inner Abundance, and focus on the energy flowing through you, through your cells, atoms, DNA, your chakras, meridians, your space, your home, office, business, bank accounts, everything. Now, let's say you don't have that abundance program and you're not familiar with holographic program. So first, let me take you through a process to just create a basic abundance vortex, and then we will use the holographic program. So let's gently close your eyes, focus on your heart, and begin to breathe in and out deeply and gently. Now imagine or visualize or sense or feel that in front of you, a golden spiraling vortex is forming. It is an abundance vortex, so that's why it is golden, because that's a symbol of abundance universally, the way we think about abundance in general. And allow that golden vortex of abundance to get stronger and larger. And then imagine walking inside that abundance vortex. Notice that spiraling vortex of abundance is flowing through every cell of your body, through your field, through your DNA strands, through your chakras, through your meridians, through your thoughts, feelings, emotions, beliefs. And gradually allow that vortex to expand, to fill up your room and then your home. Allow that vortex to expand and flow through your bank accounts, your office, your business, your career, your ideas, and your life in general. Let's stay with that energy for a minute. Just think that the vortex is getting stronger and stronger for you. Feel that in your heart and in your awareness. This golden vortex of abundance is raising your abundance vibration, helping you to break your old patterns and raising your abundance threshold or upper limit. I will run that for you. Notice your sensations. Let's breathe in and out deeply and gently. Now I will use the holographic program Restore Inner Abundance, and it will go through you and go through your abundance matrix, or the information that you hold in your field and in your awareness around abundance and possibilities. And the Restore Inner Abundance Vortex will help you to break some of your limitations and raise your abundance threshold. So let me run that for you. Simply notice that an abundance vortex is forming. It's spiraling through your cells, atoms, DNA, your chakras, your meridians. It is getting inside every cell of your body, into the nucleus within every cell. And it's also flowing through the DNA strands. Simply notice your sensations and allow the energies to automatically get stronger for you. The Restoring Our Abundance program automatically calculates how much is beneficial for you and how much can you handle preserving your highest harmony. I will also run it for your bank accounts, your home, office, business. Picture them in your mind. Focus on them. Notice the abundance vortex is getting stronger for you and for your home, office, business, and your bank accounts. Allow the Restore Inner Abundance program to also spiral through the left and right hemispheres of your brain. Just stay with this energy for the next minute or so and keep breathing in and out deeply and gently. Let's breathe in and out deeply and gently a few more times. Come back to your present moment. Rub your hands together and gently open your eyes. Now I ask you to rub your hands together, because when you do that, you begin to anchor these energies on all those reflexology points and that are connected to all the different organ systems in your body. So if you have the Restoring Their Abundance, Stay with it for 3 to 5 minutes every day. Focus on abundance and continue to run it. And if you don't have it, it's a part of the holographic transformation package or toolkit. And you can just call it anytime once you have the installation. Consciousness. It's not a computer program. It's more of a consciousness program. Once you have access to it, you can simply use the activation phrase and call the holographic program. So if that's very simple, and it just takes a few seconds to run it, and then just sit and notice your sensations and focus on abundance, possibilities, and what you would love to experience in your life. So let's play with these energies and let's create a lot of magic.